Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful fall morning. As you can see, we have a bit of frost on the ground, and today we have a project. So all of my wood here, as you can see, I got a bunch of rounds that need to be split. I have some piles of splits that are just hanging out. I need to make a home for it. So the plan is to come into this area over here. I got to get this frame out of here. I was thinking about building a woodshed, and I realized that would probably be a bit cumbersome for the amount of wood that I want to store. So I got to level this whole area with gravel, and I'm actually going to make a long row of pallets that go right up the property line here against the woods. So we got to hook up the trailer, go get some stone, and see how we make out. So we'll be back. All right, so we're back from the landscape supply store. I got a load of 2B 3/4 inch, I believe, stone. It was only $40 for this full trailer. Seems like a pretty decent value. But we have a little bit of prep work to do over here. We're gonna get the camera set up for a time lapse, and we will see how we make out with leveling this little area and setting up for the pallets, which I'm grabbing this afternoon. Alrighty, well, I got enough stone in here. I leveled this good stretch out, and we have some left over here. I have a nice little pile to work with in case we need more. But this should give us a nice row of pallets that we can line up and hopefully throw a roof on it. We'll be grabbing the pallets here in about an hour, and let's see what happens when we come back. Alrighty, so we got our load of pallets. Got an extra one up here in the bed of the truck. Let's go ahead and unload them and see how we make out. Alrighty, well, we have plenty of pallets. Maybe have a few too many, but this should be plenty of space to put a lot of our wood. If you guys have any ideas about how to put a roof over this, I would imagine probably digging some posts along the front and back and putting a slightly pitched tin roof on it would probably be ideal. But if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching.